Hello students, welcome back to our English grammar class. In last class we did present tense and present continuous tense. So today we will do past tense and past continuous tense. So first we will come to past tense. In this, actions which took place in past that are used in the words which are used in past tense, we can see like yesterday, last week, ago, etc. For example, the action which has been already done, that is past tense. Means I'll see in last class I told you that I walk, I play, I eat, I drink. These are simple present tense. But if we will say that we have to make sentence in past tense, so how we will say? I walked. Walk will become walked, ed, right? Then if I will say I eat, so I eat will become I ate. I drink will become I drank. So verbs second form will be used in the sentences for the past tense. Some example we'll see and the rule also which you have to remember. One example I have written here, I went to Kanha in the last week. I told you that these words are used in past tense. Ago, yesterday or last week. So I have used last week in this sentence. You can also make a sentence like I played with my friend yesterday. Okay. The rule is the present tense and past tense. So present tense verb will become past. How? Study will become studied. Bring will become brought. Go will become went for the past sentences. Right? So the rule is second form of verb. Verb will be in second form. So this is simple past tense. Now we will come to past continuous tense. In this, actions that are going on continuously in the past tense. In present tense, what we saw, that the actions which are going on continuously, like I am teaching, that means I am still teaching you, that is present continuous tense, right? But past continuous tense will be I was teaching yesterday in class 4th. Right? So this is past continuous tense. I was teaching. I am teaching. This is present continuous. I was teaching is a past continuous. For this, formula is, we'll see the formula, that is subject, helping verb, verb plus ing. Now here I have written V, that is verb, main verb, and the object. This is the formula. Now in helping verb you can see I have written was and were. Why I have not written is, am, are, which I have written in present continuous tense? Because that was present continuous tense and this is past continuous. So is, am, are is used in present continuous tense. But in past continuous tense you will use the helping verbs that are was and were with ing. Okay. Now we'll make one example here. See, subject I, helping verb was, verb, main verb is playing, play, and I have add ing. So play will become playing yesterday with my best friend. This is the complete sentence. So I was playing yesterday with my best friend. The same way you can make another examples also like he, or we will make a sentence in plural. Means we can use were. So they were singing, sing plus ing. And for helping verb I have used were. Why I have written were here? Because there is a plural. Okay. So sing plus ing. So they were singing yesterday. See, this is the plural sentence. Okay. So very simple. Past tense and past continuous tense, you have to just remember the formula. In past tense you will add verbs second form, not first form. Okay. And in past continuous tense the formula is very simple. Subject, helping verb, verb with ing. Why ing? Because it is still going on. That means whenever continuous word is there in tense, ing is compulsory for that. Okay. So verb plus ing and object. Now we'll see the examples and exercises in your book, page number 56. First A and B exercise you will do. Okay. Then in C you can see, we will see the first example, that is Kavita is watching television. You have to change the tense in past. So Kavita is watching television means she is still watching. It means this is present continuous tense. So you have to make this sentence in past. So how you will make, how you will change this sentence? It has been written that you have to change in past tense, not past continuous tense. That means ing will not be there. You know na, right rule? The second form will be there. So Kavita watch. Watch is the verb. So watched. Ed lagega, right? So Kavita watched television. Right? The same way other examples also you will do. Okay. So see you in the next class. You will do the exercises which I will tell you in the class. Okay. Till then, bye.